This is probably the most important video I've made in a while for Bitcoin because I perfectly predicted this Bitcoin move. We can see that yesterday, of course, here over my YouTube channel, I told you guys about my shorting position. And if we now go to Bitcoin, we can clearly see that Bitcoin is dumping like crazy. And a lot of people over on my Telegram group are making a lot of money, which is really nice to see. Now, also, what are we currently seeing right here? We can see that Bitcoin actually decided to pump to $31,500 exactly. Which means that some people got stopped out and some people didn't got stopped out. It's based on which exchange you use. And basically there were so many orders at 31,500 that some orders did get filled and some didn't. I unfortunately got stopped out, but however, like I said, a lot of people in my Telegram group, which is completely free to join, second link in the description, are making a lot of money right now because they place their stop loss a little bit higher or they just didn't got stopped out, which is really nice to see. So yeah, overall a lot of people are making money, which is of course a really good thing. We can see that it perfectly went down and it's currently dumping like crazy actually, just like I predicted. We can clearly see that we pumped all the way to the top of this bear flag, of course, as you guys can see. And now we're actually breaking to the downside again, or we're at least going down again. So yeah, currently we're not looking bullish. I'm just saying it right here. Bitcoin is not looking bullish at all right here, guys. Because if we now, we wanted to see a break to the upside. If we break to the upside of this bear flag, we want to see a confirmed breakout. Which means that we don't want to see a massive wick. Because when we get wicks, it means that bulls try to push the price higher, but bears are really strong and they just immediately push the price back down again, which is currently happening. So this is not a bullish scenario at all, in my opinion. We did decide to create a small little yearly high, which is nice to see. Funny, but it's not like a yearly high because we didn't pump even above $31,500 and our last one was at $31,430. But yeah, currently Bitcoin is not looking bullish at all. We can clearly see that Bitcoin tried to pump out of this bear flag, which is currently not happening. So now we could potentially see a break to the downside. So if you're in your shorting positions, then make sure to stay in them and wait till about 28,400. Like I told you guys yesterday, I also have it right here, I think. Right here. Our take profit is still at $28,400. If you're wondering on which exchange I'm currently using to trade, then you might want to go to the first link in the description because I am currently trading on Bybit. And if you actually start trading on Bybit as well, using my first link in the description right here, you will actually get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. And you will get 25% off fees, which is also really nice, of course. You will get more profits when you're trading. So yeah, make sure to go to the first link in the description. Now for Bitcoin, like I said, not bullish at all. Looking quite bearish. I will actually make another video if we do decide to break to the downside of this bear flag. And I'm actually pretty sure it's going to happen in the next couple of days for Bitcoin, because this bear flag can't go on forever, of course. And this wick, in my opinion, is not a bullish case scenario at all. Really nice to see that our short positions are currently doing pretty good. And yeah, for now we're probably going to test this, probably go for double retest and then down, or we're going to get a small pump up and then down. So yeah, for now this is currently what I'm expecting. I'm expecting not a lot of upside movement in the coming days and weeks. I first want to see 28,400 being tapped, our shorts getting closed, and then we could potentially look for more longs, but I of course will definitely tell you guys if that is going to happen. That being said, I would really appreciate it if you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel. I know it's a really quick video, but yeah, currently Bitcoin is looking like I predicted. It's perfectly looking like I predicted, which is nice. So yeah, that being said, I hope I will see you in my next Bitcoin video.